Hi guys, welcome to Yatri Meri Sathi. Today we came to Mahakaleshwara temple.
महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं महुकाररूपं शिवं शिवं महासूर्यचन्द्राग्निनेत्रं पवित्रं महागाढतिमिरान्तकं सौरगात्रं महाकान्तिबीजं महादिव्यतेजं भवानी समेतं भजे मञ्जुनाथं नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च भवहराय च महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं भजे मञ्जुनाथम्.
Hi guys, good morning. We have done Omkareshwar temple darshan yesterday. We successfully completed with all the gods, and today we are heading towards Ujjain Mahankali temple, one of the Navajyotirlingas in one, and we will update you end of the day today. Thank you so much.
Welcome to my channel Yatri Mere Sathi. Today let us travel to one of the most sacred and famous Jyotirlinga in Madhya Pradesh, the Ujjain Mahakaleshwar. Situated on the banks of river Kshipra, Ujjain Mahakaleshwar is famous for its Bhasma Harati. Ujjain also happens to be the abode for one of the Shakti Peeth, the Ujjain Mahakali, which is known as Gadkalika Mandir. At a distance of 55 kilometers from Indore and 140 kilometers from Omkareshwar, which is also a Jyotirlinga on the banks of river Narmada, a drive to Ujjain is very pleasant. Filled with ghats, rivers and forests, journey to Ujjain Mahakaleshwar drives us into a different world of sacredness and history. Let us now travel with Yatri Mere Sathi to explore and know more.
ఎంత హైట్లో ఉంది చూడు.
Ujjain happens to be an ancient city with lot of historical importance and stories related to different times. Filled with temples, dharamshalas and people from all religions, Ujjain presently is highly developed with vast roads and all facilities for happy living. It is ancient and historical city that is 5000 years old. It is described as the best city in Adi Brahma Puran and is called Mokshada.
We are heading towards Ujjain. We will update you in the evening for further updates. Thank you. Please support Yatri Meri Sathi.
Ujjain is known as Bhukti Mukti in Agni Puran and Garuda Puran. There was a time when the city had been capital of big empire and also has a glorious history of different kings, poets ruling.
We have started today morning around 10:30 from Omkareshwar, and now we are here around 1:30 and 2 o'clock between Ujjaini Mahankali temple.
As per the Puranas, this city has never seen destruction, for the god of destruction Mahakaleshwar himself is here. As per Garuda Puran, there are 7 cities that can provide salvation to one, and out of them Avantika, which is also Ujjain, is considered the best. Ayodhya, Mathura, Maya, Kashi, Kanchi, Avantika, Puri, Dwarvati Cheva, Saptataha Mokshadayakaha, says the Puranas. The one who visits these cities attains salvation, and of them Avantika, also known as Ujjain, is known to be as the best. After reaching Ujjain, through the streets where there are markets, we entered the main temple. There is a lot of construction work going on, so there is no proper place to leave the footwear.
थोड़ा सा
लगे तो लेना भाई, 11 नंबर का दुकान है ना।
Whenever we visit any heritage sites, pilgrimage centers, temples, I think one must purchase from the vendors whatever they are selling. Because if not we purchase, then how do people live there? And it is also known as auspicious to get something from the place. And it has been old tradition that someone who visits temples or any sacred places get something in return for their people. Let us know a little about the temple now. A part of being one of the 7 salvation providing cities, Ujjain is also a abode for Gadkalika and Harsiddhi, the 2 Shakti Peeths, and sacred Kumbh Mela that takes place in 4 cities of India. The cave of King Bhartari is found here, and it is believed that Ujjain has footprints of God Vishnu. That's why Ujjain is also called as Vaishnava Padmavantika. As per Puranas, Ujjain has many names: Ujjaini, Pratikalpa, Padmavati, Avantika, Bhogavati, Amaravati, Kumudavati, Vishala, Kushasthati, etc. There was a time when the city became the capital of Avanti Janapada, and therefore it is known as Avantikapuri. As per Skanda Puran, Ujjain has 84 Mahadevs, 64 Yoginis, 8 Bhairavas, and 6 Vinayakas. Great poet Kalidas praises the beauty of Ujjain, and according to him, Ujjain is a fallen part of heaven. As per Agni Puran, Ujjain is a salvation-giving city and city of gods. Jai Mahakal.
भगवान श्री महाकाल आपकी सभी मनोकामनाएं पूर्ण करें।
Mahakaleshwar is the symbol of eternal moksha and unbreakable faith for Shiva devotees and Hindu worshippers. It is beautiful blend of Maratha, Chalukya and Bhumija style of architecture. The temple architecture of Marathas was a renaissance of the medieval Western Chalukyan style and Bhumija style. Featuring multi-story structures and intricate carving, the 5-story temple building supports the belief of Mahakal devotees. As per the Sthala Purana, Mahadev manifested himself in the form of unique lingam here. known as Swayambhu Lingam, and the name as Mahakaleshwar, the controller of time. As per another story, a young boy, Srikhand, a devotee of Lord Shiva, was often found lost in meditation. The king Chandrasen, curious about Srikhand's devotion, followed him one day and found him offering water to a Shivalinga concealed beneath the earth. This miraculous event led to the discovery of Mahakaleshwar Lingam and the subsequent construction of the temple. As per the legend of Raja Vikramaditya, a renowned king of Ujjain, who was a Shiva Bhakt, Lord Shiva himself appeared before him and granted him a boon vowing to protect the city of Ujjain. The Mahakaleshwar temple is not just dedicated to Lord Shiva but also houses a shrine for Kalabhairava, who is the Kshetrapalaka of Ujjain. According to legend, Kalabhairava is considered the guardian of Ujjain, and devotees believe that visiting this shrine grants them protection and blessing. Let us know a little about the various rituals, pujas and timings. The different rituals are Bhasmarati, which is at morning 4 am to 6 am. Then we have Rudrabhishek Puja, which is from 6 am to 7 am. Then there is Shringar Darshan, which is from 7 am to 10:30 am. Then there is Panchamrit Abhishek, which is from 10:30 am to 12 pm. Then evening Arati is from 6 pm to 7 pm. Night Puja or Ratri Seva is from 8 pm to 10 pm. Bhagwan Bhasma Arati is at 6 am, which varies slightly.
Hi guys, welcome to Yatri Mere Sathi. Today we came to Mahakaleshwara temple. So just now we visited. So we took the blessings of Mahadev, Mahakaleshwar. So it is a wide extended temple. Right now it is under construction. Many organizations are making extend this temple. So thank you. Visit this place. Thank you. Bye.
Good evening. We have just completed the darshan of Mahakaleshwar temple in Ujjain, and now we are going to Ujjain Mahakali, which is called Katkalika Mandir. Please to visit the temple. Thank you so much.
श्री महाकाल, कृपया रफ्तार भी ध्यान दीजिए। आशा गुप्ता जो कि उज्जैन निवासी है, आशा गुप्ता आप मंदिर परिसर में जहाँ कहीं भी हो, कृपया शीघ्र अतिशीघ्र मंदिर घंटों रूप में पहुँचे। आपका बेटा स्वास्तिक गुप्ता आपका इंतजार मंदिर घंटों रूप में कर रहा है। जय श्री महाकाल।
So after completing the darshan of Omkareshwar, we visited other temples in Ujjain, and while passing through the streets, we have seen this thandai, which is an old form of drink, natural drink, which is made of malai and spices are added a little with mango is mixed, and this is one of the most traditional dish. And we stayed at this hotel Amritam Inn, just in front of the Ujjain Mahakaleshwar main street.
Good morning, this is Ujjain and this is Hotel Amritam Inn. So yesterday evening we checked in and we got a room just for 1500 rupees for 12 hours. It is really fine, and if there's a way here in front, so if you just take, this is a straight route to go and visit the temple. One of the most comfortable and easy check-in process. So next time in your visit, please do check in at Hotel Amritam Inn. And this is Yatri Mere Sathi. Welcome to my channel and thank you for being with us. Thank you.
जय श्री कृष्णा। हमारा होटल महाकाल चौराहे से 50 मीटर की डिस्टेंस पे ही है, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है। और यहाँ पर आपको गाड़ी टैक्सी सारी सुविधा है, ओमकारेश्वर मंगलेश्वर जाने की सुविधा है। होटल हमारे पास, रूम हमारे पास 2 बेड 4 बेड 3 बेड सारे रूम AC में, और आपको टैक्सी भी मिल जाएगा। आप यात्री मेरे साथी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
धन्यवाद।
After visiting all the temples in Ujjain, we then started back to Hyderabad, which was near about 890 kilometers from Ujjain. We halted at Khedi Ghat and had Pushkar Snan. Thanks to Satya who drove all the way, and the credit of trip goes to Satya. Thanks to Manikanta for the video bites. Yatri Mere Sathi, thanks you for watching this video. Please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you.